Let's go.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. Yes, so guys, today is day 9 of Vlogmas. So today I have a lot of assignments to do. I've been to tell you guys that, but I really do have a lot of assignments to get done, and some I don't really understand, so I'm going to email my teachers and talk to them more on it, because you know said that they want good grades, perfect grades. Because anyways, today's cleaning day. I'll be doing some cleaning. I won't be telling you guys what I'll be doing today exactly, because I do not really know what I can get done or what I'm going to do, because you know my mind ever change. So we're just going to work with the program today. But basically do everything already. These days are like some boring ass days in my life, because I have exams, I have assignments to go in, but so that means I'm not really going away. So all of it showing us array, but up on the road, not that like that. But the guys gonna come clean with me. My crocs want clean, so I go. When I go, come and help me wash it. You gonna help me wash it? Comment down below if you not tell me if you're not gonna help me wash it. Anyways, I feel so happy today. Thank you, Lord Jesus, that I wake up this morning in a good mood. Yesterday I was feeling very moody because the assignments were killing me. So let's start. Yeah, so I do look at washing of some plates, you know. So I have a little conversation with you, but I like show more and talk about. Like I have more I want to talk about, you know, but I'm not too sure. Alright, so first of all, I want to talk about the people in our life. What I mean, they really mean we're good. I'm just there if you say, alright, yeah, I'm a family member that, or I'm a friend that, or this and that. Like, I've been through so much. Y'all see me on here. I've been through so much. Me, I'm 19, and me, together? No, sir. I go through so much in our life where only the one that, oh, I'm still there. Like, only the straight thing say, me with so much ambition. You don't know how me stay, I'm very, I'm always in the public eye. Not necessarily social media, you know. Not necessarily social media, I talk about overall, my outstanding performance in a school, and all of them something there. So me I say, with all of that, y'all would think that, oh, the thing chocolate have all type of family and friends support her. She good. No sir. I want a good mind was for honesty, guys. As I say, some of you have some opportunities and just take advantage of it. Someone not even know say eating chocolate. I go through some all type of different things. As I more come on this, I motivate to know as young people say take in education, no? Respect the people them around, you know, who I try help, you know. If I never feel my close family friend. Not family, you know, not necessarily family. You know. Some family help me throughout my lifetime with like school and them look at something there, but it's like rare. It's rare. But me talk about family friend where I know family, no blood. Yeah, I don't want to call no name, but I need to tell you guys. When me hear the saying about blood thicker than water, me don't believe that. I don't believe no blood thicker than no water. In my case still. My case still. I don't want to get too deep and tell you guys too much. I'm gonna tell you guys what's up really and truly one of these days, but not now though. But my motivation to you guys is just keep your head up. Since I'm going to university, I heard somebody said to me that about like it's like they didn't say it direct, but I understand what they were saying because I'm not dumb. They were like, I see enough people got university and still end up a call center. That's why I'm saying to you guys that just be careful of who only tell no business. Be careful of who in a circle because then everybody meaning no well. Family and friends and everybody meaning no well. I had a family member tell me that I go on too much. And me not gonna college. Look at me now. So if you just mind who in our circle, it could have been your sister or no brother. Sometimes just to keep certain things and certain things you don't want to do in the future to yourself. Because let me tell you, certain words can hurt your future and you don't even know how much it can hurt it, but it can hurt it so much where they might put them mud upon you. You can't do certain things because as your family members, if your family members say something to you like that, say you're not going to college, right? Maybe I'll believe it. I say, alright, me never going to work toward the school, yeah? Because so and so don't tell me, say, me not go to college. And me not go to this and this, yeah? Because so and so said that. No, sir. I don't pray about my life and pray about my future. That's what I've been saying to you guys. So I just finished washing up the dishes. Now I'm going to continue to do my school work. So guys, you know, say there's a new Starbucks in Arthur and I'll know I'm gonna check it out. Every day I pass it. Like when I go to school, I pass it, come. I'm gonna get nothing for, you know, test out the flavors or nothing. So when I'm there, we're going to go to Starbucks, okay? So I'm gonna do my school work. I'm gonna link on the back, I'm gonna wash my Crocs. And then I'm gonna try to do this little workout thing. I'm gonna do even a 5-minute workout. And I'm gonna bed and do all of that. Maybe go up on the road tonight, but I promise no nothing. Maybe. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna finish up the work here and try 17 by today because it's overdue. Guys, the last time I talked to him was like after 11, no, nearly 2 o'clock. So, mama talk to you. My side of Brazil. And Brazil just lose. I want ball. I want to ball. I want to ball, you see? No, sir. Somebody just call me. I gotta check for me. I say, where you come before? So the person say, I see you answer me. I say, because my side lose. And the person that's dependent side, I say, Rebo, Brazil. So you come before then for don't talk to me. I'm a Brazilian. I'm Brazilian. Oh, them know so Jamaica is a big Brazil place, and I know them a come done way pan them status. Even though yes, we know so we hyper will go on, but we know so Brazil a big side. Me born ball, but now I get something to eat still. So I'm gonna check out what if we can eat and come back to it. I must clean my Crocs now. Only for remind me, you know. Remind me, say, Ray, me have my things, my Crocs are clean. Because from me getting me now washing. And it used to be washed, so That's what I'm gonna do after I get something to eat. And I cook my favorite dish, which is fritters. I'm gonna warm up some pork. Boy, me can't name me now, watch it. I do my schoolwork. Right, this song. Dirty like boss. So now I'm gonna wash them off, you know. And see if they can dry for later. So they pretty. Get them and put them up there. So now I'm gonna use the remaining water and water the plants. Here, guys, don't. It's not the soapy water. This, guys, don't be ridiculous now. Use the rinsing water. Guys, this is many years later. My beard and everything. I'm gonna head over to my house. Yeah. Feel so tired, like I don't know what I do. For me just how long I done the work? Reach far now. It's like 1.5 point plus the conclusion I need to finish so I can send it in. Plus the oh, that makes so much noise. Anyways, the reading review and then make it for send it in. But that man not focus. Okay, guys, so this is the next day. I'll be going to my friend's grandmother's funeral. Let's go. Period.
YouTube channel, you ain't saying nothing. Why are you even on YouTube?
It's your period.
Yes, Joel. Ashley, they're both.
Wash my face and soap Can't sing enough. She can't sing enough, but she don't know.
Presence,
Balloon there. Yeah.
I go be my giveaway father.
Wait, I heard somebody calling.
Reception. He might go talk about reception. He might go do everything.
you see,
Street,
coming up the hill of. We're at Ugly Gap and we're going up the hill.
St. Thomas Valley Ridge.
Yes, far up yonder.
You know, watch your view.
Beautiful.
So nice. How are you feeling?
I'm tired, but I'm good. I'm holding up.
Oh my god.
We're here. This is it.
Woo! I'm a throat that hurt me. Hey, what's that? What's the wine?
Come on.
What's the wine? Hey, one properly now? Oh yeah. Shit. Hey. Are you not saying this gun there?
Easy.
So guys, I'm home. It was a very nice experience going to St. Thomas with my friends. Also, condolences to the Stainless family. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when the girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video.